Hi, this is Neri Omar and I just finished for you this lovely makeup look. If you would like to know what I have done, what eyeshadow palette I used, so please keep watching. My makeup tutorial will start now. But please, before that, if you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to support my channel. I'm new here and my name is Neri Omar and my channel is all about luxury, beauty, luxury, fashion, luxury, anything in life. If this is your vibe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you with us here in my small family. Okay, makeup tutorial will start now. Just 1 second. I'm back. I primed my eyes, I primed my face, and now I'll prime with you my lips with Prada lip balm. Actually, I start to like it. It's very soft, guys. You know, I always try to make circular motions. Yeah, love it. Okay, today actually it's different kind of video. I have here all my makeup products, each piece or each product different brand. I'm trying to use one piece, one brand, one piece, one brand. Bronzer, it's one brand. The mascara, one brand. Eyeshadow, one brand. Something different. Let's see how it's going to go. I'm excited. I'm excited too because today finally I am going to use this gorgeous eyeshadow palette from YSL that it has been sold out for a long time and it was so hard to get. I get it from Selfridges in UK. Did I say the name? Unexplored Garden. It's Couture mini clutch. Guys, I didn't use it yet. This is not good. Why the shimmery one here? Big fluffy brush. I need to wash my brushes too. I will take this brown here. Okay. It's powdery, guys, so be careful. And I will start. Oh, they pigmented too. Be careful. Wow. Okay. This is my first palette from YSL. Wow, this is a very pigmented shade. I will do the same in the lower line, the same brown here. Okay guys, this all doesn't have to be sophisticated because this is the base of Sonia G. I love it for the outer corner. It's round, the dark green. This one. Definitely pigmented. So little by little, guys. Little by little. Just to blend, guys. I feel that this will be very easy. Look. I will take the same dark green. Just half. Not all. Just a half. Let's say that it is powdery palette. Okay? Maybe because it's very soft. Always the process of smoky eyes It's not that pretty. So that's why I'm always telling my subscribers, please give me a chance and watch till the end of the video. Everything will be totally different and you will love the final look. But it needs just little bit patience, you know. With the one that I blend the brown, but without any more or extra, just blend everything. I cleaned up down here, I think you can now, you see it better. Let's flat brush from Chanel. One here. Wow. Ooh. I hope the camera can catch it. Wow, 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 wow. Emphasize just a little bit. No. But you have to be very careful because this is will have lots of fallout. Okay, just to let you know. But guys, I love it. Oh, this is. I'm still working with the green in the shape here. Okay. Can you see me? Okay. Little by little. I don't add more now. I'm just blending. Use the brush. Blending with the brush. I have always one eye better than the other. Yep. I'm trying my best. Both sides will be the same. As much as I can, because here the eyebrows is not, the shape is not the same. This shimmery one, the green, this one. BECKHAM olive. Waterline. Okay. Put it up again as well. I always put black, but let's see. Very thin line, yeah. Very thin. I feel that it will complete the look like that. And so. Yeah. Let me go apply the foundation, the concealer, and do my eyebrows and I will come back to you to finish the look, okay? Don't go anywhere. What I told you, I will do foundation, powder, concealer, powder, and eyebrows. So now, bronzer, my lovely Hermes. See how pretty it is. Beautiful. Look. Done. I said I will change the blush. But I want to do this blush. Can I? Sisley, it has been a while. Please. I'll try this new brush from Sonia G. Smile. Love it. I always love to do around my nose here, not around the middle, so give me off and alive, complete the look of my face. Okay, for highlighter, by the way, I didn't finish my eyes yet. I picked these two from Clé de Peau. I don't know which one. Maybe I will combine both. Why not? It's very, very light because my eyes is a very much, not too much for me, but yeah. Combine both. And I will use the broken eyeshadow, the white one here. I told you be careful because see, it is powdery. See, powdery. It's beautiful, gorgeous shades, but it is powdery. Yeah. Picked Louboutin mascara today. Love this mascara. You see? Let me go change and come back to you guys. Wearing my jewelry, everything. And now I decided to apply Celine Rouge, Le Rouge lipstick. I used it only once. And the last touch, eau de soir, SISLEY. This is remind me of UK. UK. I love it. Very good. You have to try. Voila, I'm done. I hope that you liked my makeup look today. And this is the time of recap what I have done. Okay, I used Chanel eye concealer for eyeshadow primer, for face primer, SISLEY Paris double tenseur and harmony, foundation SURRATT, which is very good, very easy to blend, concealer DIOR Forever Skin, I think, lip balm Prada, which I love, this green one, eyebrows SISLEY Paris Phyto-Sourcils in taupe, and Victoria Beckham for my eyebrows, crystal clear, bronzer, this lovely one, Hermes, it's very good, guys, very nice, blush SISLEY, love it too, highlighter, combination between these two Clé de Peau highlighter, I don't know how do you call it, I'll write it down for you, combination, it's very subtle, I like it though. And then eyeshadow, this gorgeous, it's in YSL mini couture, Unexplored Guard. It's very nice, but it's very powdery. If I put this in your mind, if you would like to buy it, but the shades are nice, very smooth, very easy to apply, but it's a very powdery. Okay, I think because the powder is very smooth. See, it's really nice, but be careful anyway. The Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal liner in olive. The mascara is LOUBOUTIN and Celine Le Rouge lipstick. Today's perfume is SISLEY Paris Eau de Soir. Love it. Reminds me of UK. And that's it, guys, I'm done. I hope that you liked my makeup tutorial. I have a lot upcoming videos because I bought lots of eyeshadow palettes. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.